3 potatoes and 3 eggs Spanish omelette. Spanish omelette is composed of only a few very ordinary ingredients and can be eaten at any time of the day. It is a very popular dish in Spain and called Tortilla de Patata. New hearty option for your breakfast, equally delicious both hot and cold. Take 3 big or 6 small potatoes and peel them. Did you know that potatoes are rich in flavonoids, carotenoids, vitamin C and B, potassium, and many other nutrients? Grate potatoes with grater or cut them into thin slices. Add hot water and take aside for 5 minutes. Drain. In a small bowl, mix 3 eggs, or more if you have very big potatoes or you need to feed a big family. Season with salt, red sweet paprika, and freshly ground black pepper. Add finely chopped coriander. Mix together with drained grated potatoes. Cut cheese into few big slices. I use Tilsiter. It is a nice, semi-hard, creamy Austrian cheese with a fat percentage of 45%. Heat the extra virgin olive oil in a large frying pan. Put half of the mixture, add a layer of cheese, and then add the second part of the mixture and stew gently, partially or fully covered, for 20 minutes over medium heat. Then cook it on the other side for 7 to 10 minutes. Top with sweet paprika and grated cheese. Serve with a salad or use as an entree or appetizer. Great for snacks, traditionally served in little squares. Enjoy your 3 potatoes and 3 eggs Spanish omelette.